Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope this Ramadan has been a source of fulfillment and blessings for all of us, inshallah. As it comes to an end and we're eagerly anticipating the celebration of Eid, we need to make sure that we keep a few things in mind. Yes, Eid entails giving gifts and preparing delicious food, upholding cultural traditions, and of course dressing up. However, there are four other things that we need to remember for Eid al-Fitr, inshallah. Firstly, let's talk about Zakat al-Fitr. This is essentially a separate obligation from regular zakat that's paid on wealth. And it is important for each of us. It's actually must on each individual to pay this on his or her behalf. And it is due before the Eid prayer. The head of household is responsible for paying on behalf of his children. So this is a good time to reach out to your local masjid and ask how much the charges or how much the amount is for Zakat al-Fitr. The second thing to keep in mind is when we go for Eid Salah, inshallah, there are certain etiquettes that apply to the masjid. Just like any other place has etiquettes, the masjid has etiquettes and a code of conduct and a dress code as well. We need to make sure that our behavior in the masjid reflects that of the Quran and Sunnah. The third thing to keep in mind is that Eid is a gathering with family and friends. And this is the time where we need to show how much we have spiritually grown this Ramadan. We will see family and friends who we haven't seen for a while, people that we may not get along with, right? Or difficult relationships. But this is a time that we become the bigger person and we show our patience and compassion so that we and others can also have a good time. And the last thing to keep in mind is it's crucial to prioritize our Salah on Eid Day. And what I'm saying is that on Eid Day, we get so swamped up with our children and family and friends that we unintentionally start delaying our Salah. And we end up missing our Salah at times. And this is not something good right after Ramadan especially. Generally, we should not be missing our Salah. And Eid Day is one of those days where we should be maintaining the habits that we have created this Ramadan, inshallah. So on Eid Day, let's all focus to be mindful in our Salah, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to celebrate Eid in a way that gives Him happiness and pleasure as well. Ameen.